quick little dot walk-in video in ServiceNow. First, we're gonna create a view of a list using dot walk-in, and then we're going to do something with a filter with filters using dot walk-in. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of gonna make it up as I go along. So just follow with me. So we're gonna start out with user. So let's bring up the list of all users. We're gonna type sys underscore user dot list. Quickest way to get to our list of users. All right, so we already was playing with it. Let's click all. Uh, let's I know what I did. Let's do this. Let's adjust the view to the default view. Okay. I was playing with it before, so that's why it came up like that. So here's our default view with our list of users. You can see there's 687 users on there. So let's use the dot walk-in functionality to create a unique list. All right, so okay, let's see what we will do here. Let's open up configure and layout. So let's go ahead and remove all. Let's remove all of this and start fresh with a new layout. Wait, let's say we want new layout. Um, view. The default view has been modified. Don't save. All right, so let's call our new view dot walker, right? Lack of a better name. Let's get rid of all of this again. Boom. Okay, so what do we want in here? Now, as you can see, um, these fields that are green with the little tab, that is related to another database that you can access. All right, so right now we are on the user list, right? So let's say we'll start out with a user's first name. Let's put that on there. And let's say we'll put also their last name. What else? And we'll put, let's do something. Okay, so we have schedule right here. So let's see what we can have something from the schedule. So we'll once we hit that schedule, we have another icon that pops up right here that wasn't there before. So when we click this icon, it takes us into a whole nother. We have a whole nother set of fields related to schedule. If we scroll up here, see that schedule. That's a whole nother table schedule, right? So we can let's see what we can get off a schedule. Uh, active meeting. Let's see what's interesting. What's interesting? Let's see. Active meeting. Let's try that one. Let's do that one. Put an active meeting, right? Let's see what else. Application. Let's try this one. Click application. Move over to here, and let's see. This is from the application table. Let's say uh, let's go with name. This will be like the name of an application, something from the application table. We'll put it there. That's enough. Let's just do that. So first name, last name. We have schedule active from the schedule table, and then we have schedule application name. What else can we put on there? Uh, let's see. Why these are red, I'm not exactly sure at this moment, but I'm gonna try to find that out. Let's put user role as well on there. Let's just put it. So quick. Okay, so now we have that. We're going to save that. Um, so we want to view it. We come back up here to view, and then we're gonna click dot walk. And now we have the list that we created using dot walking. So these are from separate tables, and we use dot walking to bring up fields from different tables. So some of these are blank. We see name, just one name. So let's see if we could get, okay, so do global, and that fills in a lot of stuff right there. So we have a first name, we have last name, uh, active. I forgot what table this was from, and the name of some type of application. I think it was from schedule, right? And user role is empty. So let's do a filter to Let's filter out uh, where the user role is not empty. I don't know if there's any like that, but we could see. Probably there's none like that. All right, let's filter where the name is not empty. So and where the let's say we do a filter. Let's say we're gonna make this filter. So we're gonna choose a field as let's see. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Let's see. So the related fields are already here. So we're looking for a name field that's under, I think it was on the schedule or application. Let's look through these and see if we can find it. Go back to the top of the store again. Okay, active city. Should be a name field. Default, perspective, menu, perspective, department, domain, employee number. Let's see, what are we trying to find? First name. That was my speaker dying. Let's see, what are we looking for here? Name. Is this the name that we're looking for? Name is not. Let's see. Is empty. Is not empty. Let's try this. Let's run it. Now we're looking for this field right here, this name. Let's run it. Okay. Is this the right name though? No, that's not the right name. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to view that walker. Alright, so let's go back. So we're looking for this name. How could I figure out what this name is? Name, let's see. Yeah, where did that name come from? Let's go back over here. We gotta figure out over here. Go back to list layout. So this name, schedule application name. That's where we want to go back to. So let's do a filter. We're gonna try to find uh, all the fields where the schedule application name is not empty. So let's try that. Hit that. Choose a field. No, it should be schedule. Scroll down. Let's find schedule. 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 There you go. Schedule fields. So we click schedule fields. Let's open it back up. And then schedule fields. And then name. Schedule fields. We're looking for the name. Schedule fields application. Schedule fields. Schedule application fields. Display name. I don't think it was this. It was just name. Label. Name. Name. I think it's this one. Might be one of these. Let's see. Business. Yeah, that's the only name. Update name. Calendar name. Name is not empty. Let's run that one. Okay, that looks like it. Yeah, name is not empty. So there we have 33 records that the name is not empty. So that is the example. I don't know if it was so clear, but we basically used dot walk-in. It was a little confusing because I didn't exactly plan it out. But maybe we'll make another video a little more in depth. But that was an example of using dot walk-in to create a customized list from multiple tables, and also using the dot walk-in to do uh, to filter out a list where we filtered out um, all the empty, all the fields that were not empty under name from the schedule list. And you see where we're at, it says all schedule name is not empty. So the only thing I would probably do different where it was a bit confusing. I would have hoped that this probably would have automatically say schedule name, because I didn't exactly know what table this name label was coming from, and there's probably I think we could find out by simply just going back to the list layout, and it said it right there, schedule application name, but it wasn't exactly apparent from the list. All right, thank you for your time.